Hello friends, welcome to How to Rocket once again. In this video, we'll discuss about how you can get green verified business caller ID on Truecaller. So before starting video, you will have to understand guys, getting a green verified business caller ID on Truecaller is not something you can enable directly from the app like normal user. Like you can't verify your caller ID from this app here. You will have to be a paid user to get that green collar ID. So, which is require paid business feature for official verification. First, understand what is green verified badge. So, the green collar ID plus verified tick is shown only for verified businesses or organizations. It is not, useful or available for the personal use or for the person name. It proves your number is authentic, which is not spam or fake, and shows business name, your business logo, and it also shows category like if this number is related to bank or delivery. So you will have to follow some steps to register on Truecaller Business. You will have to open your Chrome and search here Truecaller for business. Once you search Truecaller for business, you will have to click here on here. You can see this Truecaller for business. Click here. Once this interface opens, you will find this option get in touch. But before this, let's understand this. You can leverage the power of Truecaller to grow your business. Leading organizations trust Truecaller for businesses to reach more customers, establish trust, and manage. So, if you have to make your business authentic, then more trustworthy for your customers or marketers, then you should be definitely use this green verified caller ID to make your customers feel free to contact you or to receive your calls or the business mails or business informations through your number. Here you can see the tools to craft the best customer experience for your business. Here you can see once someone like suppose the bank is calling you, then you will be shown this type of green screen of the name or caller ID, which is verified. Here you can see. So what does this mean? Which is mean that the customer is the customer the caller is loyal, and the call is from business or organization, and all the information of this number is verified on Truecaller. You can add identity, trust, and context to the business calls, driving customer loyalty and growth. Supercharge business calling workflow and drive impactful calling campaigns. You can manage risk and fraud by using this. To use this, you will have to click here on Get in Touch. Once you click here on Get in Touch, you will have to add your company name here, then contact person name, then business email, which is verified on your business, then business phone number. Once you add all the information, you will have to click on Contact Me. Once you submit all the information, Truecaller verifies your identity and documents. This feature ensures that your brand is genuine and trusted, and only approved businesses actually get the green badge. So the important thing is the green collar ID is a part of Truecaller Business, which is paid service, and pricing depends on usage, call volume, and features. To activate, once your this information gets approved, you will have to activate subscription so that your calls will show green verified business caller ID. Customers will see your brand name, like here you can see this type of interface, or the incoming calls will be appear. So yeah, that's the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.